A water pump is a really important part of a car's cooling system. It's responsible for keeping the engine cool and running smoothly. But sometimes, water pumps can stop working properly, and that can cause serious problems for your car. There are a few different reasons why this might happen, but we'll talk about the most common ones here. The first reason is something called a bad seal. There's a seal between the water pump and the engine block that helps keep everything in place. If this seal isn't working right, coolant can leak out, or air can get in where it shouldn't. This can cause the engine to overheat and even get damaged. Another thing that can cause water pump failure is a loose drive pulley. This is the part of the pump that helps it spin. If it's wobbling or vibrating, it can wear out the bearings and eventually cause the pump to stop working altogether. The third reason is a bad or broken belt. This is the part that connects the water pump to the engine. If the belt isn't working right, the pump won't be able to do its job. Finally, there's something called corrosion. This is when the inside of the pump starts to decay and get damaged. This can happen if the fluid in the cooling system isn't changed regularly, or if the wrong kind of water is used to refill it. So, those are the main reasons why a water pump might stop working. To prevent these things from happening, it's really important to get regular maintenance on your car. This will help catch any problems early, before they turn into bigger issues.